Hi everyone and welcome back to our Happy Kitchen. Today we are making my husband's favorite Filipino dish and one of the first dishes Sel cooked for us when we arrived here from the United States, lumpia. This is...
I'm Baby Sal and now I'm gonna make the best lumpia.
This is Baby Vance. He's just so adorable. And I'm Lauren. We're looking forward to a great episode. Okay, so normally on our Happy Kitchen, we like to be our healthy kitchen. However, today is a cheat day because with lumpia, you have to deep fry it. So, tell us what's in it.
So now we use more veggies, which is potato, and then we use also Baguio Beans, and then carrots also. And here it's we put like little bit ginger and onion chives, onion, and then garlic. And that's it.
So as you probably noticed, Sel is chopping up these vegetables super duper tiny. So she is making sure they're minced. This way when we're eating our spring roll later, all the ingredients will be nicely combined and you'll get all the flavors in one bite. But Sel, where's the beef?
Oh, it's here. Instead of pork, we use beef.
Why did we do that, Sel? We did it because there was no ground pork at the grocery store. We had every intention of making our lumpia with pork, but when I went to the supermarket, unfortunately, there was none. So we have to improvise, and that's just what happens with expat life. You gotta be flexible. Okay, so the next step is to get out a big bowl and put in the beef. So we are using 800 grams of ground beef. We are making quite a bit of lumpias. We'll probably wind up with about 35 because we really enjoy this dish, and it'll be cut into 2 meals. And then you're gonna wanna add your vegetables. So all the vegetables we discussed earlier, your carrots, potatoes, your bagu beans, your green onion or chives, your red onion, your garlic, and your ginger. You're gonna combine that all into that bowl. Okay, and now we're going to add some tamari sauce. So this is our soy sauce substitute. We've discussed this sauce on our program before. This has more protein than soy sauce, less additives. So we are putting a half a cup of tamari sauce in there. We're also putting 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Okay, so once you have all the filling ingredients together in the bowl, it is time to stir to combine. And then after that, we are ready to fill our lumpias. Okay, Sal, so tell us what you're doing to assemble the lumpia.
So now I'm gonna rolling this one. So first I'm gonna light this one. And then add this to water.
Okay, and what are you using to make sure that the spring roll stays together?
Okay.
Is that just water in the cup?
Yeah, this is this is a little bit hot water.
Okay. And then what is your technique?
What?
Like how do you do this? You put how much do you put in the wrapper?
No, I'm not measuring it, but
You do like a spoonful?
yeah, I just spoonful only.
Yeah, show us how much is it.
Maybe like this one.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
Okay guys, we are using Lumpia Wrappers, or what they are called in the grocery store here in the Philippines. In the US, you could probably find them in maybe like the freezer aisle. They'll be called spring roll wrappers, but they're virtually the same thing. And sorry, we did not make these from scratch. We just bought them at the store. Okay, so now we are ready to fry. We are using a small nonstick pan for the frying. However, you can definitely use a cast iron skillet as well. We are using canola oil to fry our lumpia because of the high smoke point and the neutral flavor. You want to make sure there's enough oil in the pan so that the lumpia is pretty much submerged in there, as you can see in this video. You're going to wait about 3 to 4 minutes on each side till the lumpia is golden brown, and then it's ready to turn over in another 3 or 4 minutes on the other side. All right, so here's our taste test for our delicious beef lumpia. We have it right here. We serve it with a sweet chili sauce. Really, really yummy stuff. We did not make that from scratch. Sorry, guys.
Is it yummy?
This is like the ideal party food. You could serve this if you have people over as like an appetizer, or like this is a great hangover food from a night of drinking. It is so good.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like it, and if you have any questions, just comment below, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell button so that you update in the next episode.
Exactly.
Thank you, and see you next time.
Thank you. Enjoy your lumpia.
Bye.
Bye.